Alright guys, well thank you for coming out. Today I'm going to be cracking this collector booster box. So let's hope we get some value out of this. And let's just get to it. Just want to give Chimera Gaming obviously a shout out for hosting me today and hooking me up with the box. This is my first time cracking a collector booster box, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna set these aside because we're gonna talk about those later. Let's grab all these packs. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Alright, let's just get started. Trying to go for those expeditions. I'm just gonna basically skip past all of the commons here. Get right to the land. And let's see. Kaza Royal Chaser. Foil Sky Cave Apparition, that's not bad. And the showcases. Felidar Retreat. Dreadworm, the Thing of Nightmares. Expedition, first pack. Alright. Let's go. That's a great way to start this off. Get a sleeve, put that in right away. Alright. Is it crimped? I don't think it is crimped. Oh, yeah, it is at the bottom here. See if I can show this a little better. It is very crimped on the bottom there. I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's kind of hard. Alright, let's get on to the second pack. Skip over these. Right to the foil land. Hagra Mauling. Foil Bright Climb Pathway, Grime Climb Pathway, another not a bad hit, full art version of it, and a full art, wow, can we just, I got every version of it in one pack. Except for the non-foil normal one. Alright. Wow. Alright, we'll move on to the next one. Triple same rare. It's not a horrible one to get triple of, though. At least they're nice looking lands. Alright, Mountain, Shadow's Verdict, Pylath World Sculptor. Oh yeah, this is what I actually came here for, is the showcase rune crabs. Showcase Scoot Swarm. Oh, there we go. As soon as I say that, get a foil one. And a Strip Mine. Sweet. Put that in the sleeve. This one is not crimped. That I can see at least. So. Let's see. I'll be okay with a triple expedition box. Won't hurt my feelings, that's for sure. Ah! There we go. Inscription of Insight. Emrys Call. Emrys Shattered Skyclave. Oh, this creepy worm again. Omnath, this is turning out to be a decent box so far. Glasspool Mimic. Kind of faded. And a good old foil kitty cat for Taylor. He might not be chonky enough for Taylor, but it's okay. I definitely saw some more crimping on the last card. Let's see what it is. Ooh, that's a nice one. Kargan Intimidator. Verizal the Split Current. Another one of these nice lands. Oh! Oh! I haven't seen it yet, but Wooded Foothills. Wow! Another crimped one, but come on, Wizards. Why are you crimping my expeditions? Wow, three so far, and we're not even halfway through. Let's keep it going. Let's just get 5. I'm okay with 5. All right, Foil Plains, Thieving Skydiver, Yssarin Implacable Earth. Another one of these amazing lands. Ancient Green Warden. All right, a lot of mythics, wow. Crimp equals value. All right, well. Sure. And Ginger finally shows up. Legion Angel. Tabrock's Hope's Demise. Prowling Felidar. Oh! Nahiri, full art. Not bad. And Corehelm Chronicle. Skip right to the land. I'll put these somewhere better where I don't think they're garbage after. Zareth, Confounding Conundrum. Jeez. Reading is hard. And this beautiful full art Lotus Cobra, Showcase Lotus Cobra. And a Paragon. So far, I cannot complain about the box. It's definitely been good. I'll have to do a tally up after of the total value. Tabrex Hope's Demise, Master of Winds, Pylath World Sculptor, and Kazandu Mammoth. You want more crimps. I'll try to get you as many crimps as I can. Craig Plate Ballast. Drawn on the Last Blood Chief foil. Nice, nice. Another Clearwater Pathway. Bushfire Elemental. Inscription of Ruin. Sweet. Just gonna get even quicker here and skip to the land. Myrad Construct, Coraline Chronicle, Squid, Ballast, another full art land, Archpriest of Iona. Alright, last pack. Skip. Swamp, Tazri Beacon of Unity, Valkut Exploration, Dreadworm, another crab, Scoot Swarm, Squid, Valkut Awakening into Valkut Stoneforge. Cool, so let's just do a recap here of all. Go rares. Let's see what we got here. Wow, I did a great job of organizing these. All right. Let's go through these all again one last time. Skyclay Evaporation. I'm not going to say them all because I'm not going to be able to, if I'm being honest. Just to give everybody a recap. And then the mythics. Omnath. And for the expeditions, 2 of them being crimped, the Wooded Foothills, Razorforge Thicket, and the Strip Mine is not crimped. 3 expeditions in a box, I can't complain about that. Alright, now for these box toppers. I'm going to give these box toppers away. The way that you win these box toppers will be to retweet a tweet that I will tweet out in probably about 10 minutes after the stream ends. Then you get one chance to win one of these packs. And then if you DM me your YouTube name and you're subscribed to me on YouTube, you get a second chance to win. But I'm only going to give away one until I get 50 subscribers on YouTube, and then I'll give away the second one. And you don't have to re-enter. All those entries will still count for the second one. So if you like this video, this stream, then follow Chimera on Twitch, follow me on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter. The link's in my my Twitch channel at Abslynne, ABSOLYNNE. And yeah, it's been fun, and I hope to see more, you guys.